Somebody on here said that the wigs blend better when you have a full face of makeup. No. I'll need to get that out of you guys' head. That is not accurate, okay? Okay, step one, we're going to do a ball cap method just because I am gonna put a frontal on and I do want my wig to be melty. Melt, okay? I am gonna use some gel, slick my edges down, lather that on there, and comb her on down. Ordered like a big ass pack of wig caps off of Amazon and they are coming in handy. Spray it on down. And a little bit more gel just to make sure that it's laying real flat. So the wig for today's video is from UNice. This is their closure wig. It comes pre-everything and styled, but we're gonna, you know, do what we do. This is a 7x5 wig and the lace is HD, so it is very thin, friend, and she's going to look like Scapiana for you. Regardless if it comes pre-everything, we are gonna go in and customize it a little bit more to make it look a little bit more natural. You know, they can do their job, but we're gonna do the job a little better, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out that hair that is already plucked, pull that out and go behind that area and pluck some more, and I'm gonna do that until I get the density that I want. After I do that, I'm going to comb out the hair to get all that excessive shedding out and push the hairline back, and then go in and pluck the front of the hairline to merge or to mesh in to the rest of the hair. And then you should get something like this. Did a little bit of plucking, not too much, just something subtle because it already comes pre-plucked and I am going to install this. All you have to do is subtle adjustments to these wigs and I promise you they will give what they need to give. I'm going to install these wigs without a full face of makeup so you can see the meltiness of it all. Somebody on here said that the wigs blend better when you have a full face of makeup. No. I'll need to get that out of you guys' head. That is not accurate, okay? This is Ruby Kesses in the shade 16. I'm gonna put that all over my stocking cap. I'm gonna take a little bit of that makeup and I'm gonna go underneath the hairline and I'm gonna put that lightly on the length. So this is what she's looking like. It's still a little bit ashy. We're gonna go on top and we're gonna just blend that in. Put a little bit of wax on here. Not too much, lightly, don't drag it. Key to making your wigs look even better is kind of jacking up your hairline, okay? I'm gonna go in and cut mine a little bit, not too much. So these are the scissors that I like to use, zigzag scissors, okay? And I'll have these linked down below in the description box. I don't want a perfectly moon-shaped hairline. I naturally don't have one. Feeling lately like the moon-shaped hairline, like how this looks, has been looking weird on me. So we're gonna take some of this lace and a tiny bit of this hair off, okay? So I am going to take about that much. And that is it. That's all you need, I promise you. The goal is to give your hairline some character, okay? You don't want to go too far with this. A little bit of hair taken off will do the job for you, okay, friend? So what I'm doing is I sectioned out some hair. I am pulling the hair so I could get them thick ass scissors underneath, and I'm gonna cut it. You want to do the same thing for the other side. And I'm not even gonna call this the Legos hairline because it's not, but it's inspired because I feel like the Legos hairline is extreme, and we're not going extreme. We're going subtle with this, and I don't want nobody in my comments yapping y'all gums about this is not a Legos hairline. Like, I'm not here for it. So let's melt her down. So to melt her down, this is my favorite product to use. This is Red by Kiss, the Styler Fixer. I like the pink can better, but this is what I have on hand. I spray it down, blow dry it until it gets tacky, lay the lace down, and then I will blow dry it until it's fully dry. For the lace that is lifting up like that, You see the lace? I'm gonna take a little bit of the bow hold active, lay the lace down. You want to be careful where you buy your bow hold from, because come to find out, the beauty supply is selling fake stuff. We don't want that. We don't want that on our skin. So I do have a link to the actual website that will give you a discount in the description box for you. I'm gonna take a little bit of the spritz on my edge brush, and I'm gonna just brush everything down. I'm gonna go with some residual makeup that is on this brush. Time to melt, and she looks good. The key is to not overdo the makeup. The makeup will set you back, okay? And that's the reason why when you have a full face of makeup, it kind of gives it away, because when you get your makeup done or when you do your makeup, the edge of the lace usually is caked up with makeup, and it's hard to clean it off when you do have that lace on. She looks good. She looks real good. Now, I know that little transition was fast, but I did melt for about 20 minutes, and then I took it off, and that's what she was looking like. Like I said, the no makeup on the face, all of that looks good with your lace. It kind of comes questionable when you do your makeup, because like I said before, all the makeup caked onto the lace makes you be able to see it more. So yeah, I am going to go in and flat iron this hair, because I do want some straight hair, and this hair just flat ironed like butter. And if you are interested in this flat iron, I will leave it down below in the description box. This is from Amazon. This is a nano titanium. It does come in white, blue, and like a silver color. Bomb is flat iron. I'm from LA. I like me super silky, pressy, straight hair. Like, no shade to the girls, but I don't want to look like I have a blowout. I want to look like I have a silk press. You feel me? Like, that's just how I grew up. I grew up on that pressing comb, so I like me flat hair. Okay, she is flat iron, like 24 inches. Oh yes, ma'am. I like my silkies, my silk press, super flat. Like, I'm just a LA girl who loves super flat hair when it comes to straight hair. Best friends, it has been a long 24 hours. I made it back, so let's finish this video. I look so shiny. Oh my god. So I did straighten the hair. I do wish that she was more thicker. It would be nice if she was thicker. The hairline came out amazing. Oh my goodness, look at her. Now I might have a little bit excessive makeup on there, is because I put makeup on my face, but I showed y'all her when I first installed her without some makeup on, okay? But other than that, she looks good. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I guess the popular thing right now is like Legos hairlines. That's what's trending right now on social media when it comes to wigs. So even though this is not a Legos hairline, it's a customized hairline. It has Legos vibes. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you are interested in this wig, I'll link it down below in the description box for you. And until next time, bye best friends.